Toyota vehicles offer two convenient automatic locking features that enhance security and convenience. Understanding the difference between walkaway locking and auto relock helps you make the most of your vehicle's smart technology. Walkaway locking is a hands free feature that automatically locks your vehicle when you move more than 6.5 feet away with the smart key. This system requires the engine to be off and all doors, trunk, and hood to be properly closed. Auto relock works differently. When you unlock your doors remotely but don't open any door within 30 seconds, the system automatically relocks the vehicle. This prevents accidental unlocking and includes both audible and visual confirmation. The key difference lies in their purpose and activation. Walkaway locking focuses on hands-free convenience after you exit the vehicle, while auto relock prevents security gaps from accidental remote unlocking. Both features work together to provide comprehensive vehicle security. Both walkaway locking and auto relock are integrated with Toyota Safety Sense technology, providing enhanced security through different mechanisms. Understanding these features helps you maximize your vehicle's convenience and protection capabilities. Both walkaway locking and auto relock features can be easily customized through your Toyota's infotainment system. Most new Toyota models come with these features enabled by default, but you have full control over their settings. Advanced models like the 2024 RAV4 Hybrid offer location-specific customization. You can disable walkaway locking for specific locations, such as your home garage, while keeping it active everywhere else for security. Auto relock timing can be adjusted from 15 to 60 seconds depending on your needs. The system allows you to customize how long the car waits before automatically relocking after you've unlocked it remotely. Your environment affects optimal settings. Urban areas benefit from shorter auto relock timing of 15 to 20 seconds for quick security, while suburban areas typically work well with the standard 30-second timing. Maintaining your key fob battery is crucial for optimal performance. Replace the battery every 2 to 3 years to ensure reliable range and system functionality. A weak battery can cause intermittent issues with both features. If you encounter issues with either feature, start by checking your key fob battery and consulting your user manual for model-specific troubleshooting. Regular software updates through your dealership can also improve system reliability and performance.